Chaos regains as traffic rules. This is your lesson 3, points of view. In your semester 2, in that activity 1 is about a newspaper article from Jalandhar News. Let's read the newspaper article, as whatever happening around us is only known with the help of news. That can be a news which we watch on our TV channels or can be read in newspapers, right students? So let's read. This is a newspaper news which is telling us about the traffic rules and how they are ignored. This is written by Jatin Singh. This will again help you in the question like report writing, how it is written in past tense. That is, importantly, you have to observe, or while reading you have to keep in mind in the lesson. Jalandhar, January 19. This is the date and the place mentioned at the left of the news heading. Then here orders are made to ignore and rules made to forget. Means whatever rules are made over there in any of the society or in any of the community that are to forget, here the writer is telling us. Means it is not actually correct form, but it is ironically he is saying that people are not following the rules, and that is making it chaotic, means more troublesome for the normal people. This way further, what it is telling, careless regretted for public inconvenience on the part of the municipal corporation. Means whatever things are happening, that is again finally based on the municipal corporation. Jalandhar MCJ and indifference on the part of traffic police, just the beginning of the problem that results in a chaotic traffic situation in the city. This is about whatever municipal corporation has given the rules that are not followed, and finally it is again posted on the municipal corporation that they are not taking care and they are behaving ignorantly. So that is why this is a chaotic situation. It's happening around all over in all the cities similar. In 2006, the MC passed. MC here means, again I am telling you, municipal corporation, and MCJ here means Municipal Corporation of Jalandhar. So in 2006, the MC passed orders banning the parking of scooters and four-wheelers along the tri-junction in front of its office. Means wherever three roads are there, they have made a rule that you could not park over there your scooter, four-wheelers and other vehicles. But the road leading from PNB, the road which is leading to PNB means Punjab National Bank Chowk to Jyoti Chowk is still today overcrowded. Though instructions were given by MC means Municipal Corporation, still no one is following it, and resulting to that is overcrowded, as we have seen it in our cities also, right, with randomly parked vehicles. And when the people are parking the vehicle, they will not look at the area whatever they are getting and all that. If they are in hurry, they will have to go somewhere on time, like in bank or somewhere, they will park it hurriedly as they get it, means the vacant place, you can say that, or wherever they feel, they will park it very randomly without following any norms and regulations. So they will not think about how chaotic it may be. It is narrowing the road which is really needed for commutation and all that facts will be really neglected by the people. An official from the MC said, we have done our part. Now when it is asked to the MC, what they will say, we have done our part, we pass the orders properly, it's not our job to police the streets. Means finally they will give it to the police. Means we are not going to observe the streets who is following and all that. We have done the rule. Maybe they will keep a board over there and their role is over there. That's what the MC person wants to say. Even though years have elapsed, means years have completed since the delivery of the MCJ orders. We can see no visible efforts to correct the problem. Whatever problem is arising over there with the traffic and commutation problem, for to correct that, there is no one who is working on it. It looks as if the orders were passed only to complete the official formalities and not for implementation. Means it seems like that whatever orders are given or MC is making the rules and regulations, but that are not for implementation, that is just for the rules. दे विल हैव टू मीन्स वो रूल बनाएंगे और रूल बनाए ही जाएंगे कि तोड़ने के लिए. वहाँ पे जहाँ पे बोर्ड लगा होता है नो पार्किंग का, वी आर इवन वॉचिंग इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ, उसी के सामने लोग गाड़ियाँ लगा कर निकल जाते हैं. एंड व्हेन द पुलिस विल कम एट दैट टाइम दे विल टेल यू दैट वहाँ पे जगह नहीं थी, आई हैव टू गो हरीडली इन द बैंक, इट वॉज द क्लोजिंग टाइम, it was an urgent work, I have to just take medicines from there, it will take around 2 minutes, but he will not come for an half an hour, and there will be a total traffic jam due to this negligence. Maybe I can or we can agree with the things that municipal corporation of any of the city is taking good care of, but that is our rule, that is our role to follow their rule. So that fact is written over here. The MC originally built a parking zone, and see here the parking zone is made over there for a public by taking over some land from the Nehru Garden area. They have taken some ground from the Nehru Garden area, but use of the zone is mostly limited to employees of the corporation and a few nearby banks. What they will do, nearby banks जो होते हैं उसके एम्प्लॉयज़ वो भी क्या करेंगे, दे लिमिटेड टू एम्प्लॉयज़, दैट एरिया वॉज गिवन फॉर द लिमिटेड एम्प्लॉयज़ ऑफ नियर बाय बैंक्स. व्हेन द ट्रिब्यून विजिटेड द पार्किंग एरिया, मीन्स द पब्लिक दोज हु आर विजिटिंग देयर वेर जस्ट 15 cars and around 30 scooters parked, most of which belonged to these employees. Means at that time there were 15 cars and around 30 scooters parked, most of which belonged to these employees. At the same time, there were long queues of vehicles parked along the sides of roads. Vehicles on the roads are parked in the haphazard manner. Haphazard means as they wish, not in a proper way, not in a sequence or not in a proper way. So that is haphazard, means in a very mismanaged way, blocking the flow of traffic. The only no parking signs we find were hidden corners. Means if there is a no parking board, then that is also hidden in the corners, and the area is completely covered with those haphazard parking vehicles. The busy area is famous for big chemist shops, bakeries, roadside eateries. Means these are the crowded places where we can see that people are going and coming very frequently. Like you can understand, केमिस्ट का शॉप है, बेकरीज है, रोड साइड ईटरीज अगर है, या शू के शॉप्स है, तो वहाँ पे आने वाले भी जो कस्टमर होंगे दे विल आल्सो पार्क द व्हीकल ओवर देयर. रैनेक बाज़ार, सो दिस इज़ द मार्केट एरिया एंड दिलखुश मार्केट. सो दिलखुशा मार्केट with their narrow lanes and heavy vehicular flow have turned into a nightmare for shoppers. Means those who are coming for the shopping, it becomes really tough to get away from there and to go to the shop and to get the things whatever they are needed. But the traffic police blame this nightmare on these same shoppers. Now here when traffic police roles comes, then he will blame it to the whom? Nightmare on these same shoppers. Those who are shopping there, he will blame it to them. They claim that when a parking area was constructed on a built, operate, transfer basis in August 2006, means it was built, operated on transfer basis in 2006 August, right? The public failed to utilize it. When it is given for utilization, in the preference with the public, means it is given for the public, then also people is not using it. Constructed on a built, operate, transfer basis in August 2006. People here do not abide by the rules, means no one can bound them. Abide means no one can bound them by the rules. These same people would never run a traffic signal abroad. Means यही जो लोग होते ये abroad में अगर जाएंगे तो ट्रैफिक सिग्नल को तोड़ कर नहीं जाएंगे. बट हियर दे नीड कॉन्स्टेंट सुपरविजन. बट यहाँ पे वो कॉन्स्टेंट सुपरविजन होगा तो ही ये काम करेंगे, विच इज़ इम्पॉसिबल, सेड अ ट्रैफिक पुलिस ऑफिसर. और यहाँ पे अगर देखने जाओगे तो लोग नाम भी रखेंगे कंट्री को, जैसे कि इंडिया में तो ये फॉलो ही नहीं होता है, बट इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू द अब्रॉड देन यू विल फॉलो इट वेरी keenly, means without any management or without any observation. But here if a traffic police is there nearby, then people will observe, is someone is watching me? If not, then they will surely break the rule. This happens very commonly in our country. We have seen that and observed it. It is wrong, but it is done by the people. So we should have to be more careful while doing these things, because see, one traffic police cannot control thousands of crowd, those who are crossing the roads, and they have to stand over there 24 hours maybe, or according to their duty, but still he is a human being. But the people who frequent some of the city's oldest bazaars in the area have their own justification. Means people will give own justification also for the same. Passing students told this reporter the authorities charge too much for parking. Means if we want to do the parking over there, they are charging too much. Who will pay $25 for only 15 to 20 minutes? Means if I have to do the work for 15 to 20 minutes, why I will pay that 25 rupees or bucks for only 15 to 20 minutes? If you just want to guzzle a tomato soup, guzzle means to sip or to drink, एक टोमेटो सीप अगर वहाँ पे जाके पीना है, एंड हैव अ क्विक बाइट एट अ टिक्की कॉर्नर, टिक्की कॉर्नर भी वहाँ पे है, फूडीज़ है, फूडी कॉर्नर है, तो वेराइटी ऑफ शॉप्स है, तो वी हैव टू इफ़ वांट टू दोज टेस्ट दोज डेलिकेसीज, देन व्हाई वी विल गो देयर एंड पे दैट $25 means the rupees. You shouldn't have to pay so much. With the shoppers flouting traffic and the parking rules, and the authorities and police indifferent to the problem, the situation is doomed to chaos. And that is the way now the situation, according to this very variety of people and the thoughts of theirs, there is a bad condition, you can say, that is doomed to traffic. Means chaos means a thing which is not sorted out, but that is creating a trouble over here. So that is a meaning of the word chaos over here, which is creating a nuisance for those who are going through that area, or those who are parking in that area, those who want to buy something hurriedly from the medical shops, from the food corners and all that. So for everyone it is becoming difficult to manage. This is our activity 1. On next page we will having that activity 2. When the writers tell ideas of other people, they can do it different ways. One way is to show the exact words of the person by using direct quotation. Another way is to stay very close to the words and meanings, but without using a direct quotation. This can be called reported speech. Now this is about our reported speech. What reported speech is: when someone is directly talking to you, it is called as direct speech, and when the someone, whatever he has talked, you are telling to third person, it will be indirect speech or the reported speech. So this way, these are the examples of direct quotation, indirect quotation. In detail we will see this in grammar part, but this is your activity 2 related to that. The newspaper name, now here helpline is related to the newspaper reading. The newspaper name and author given in the unit are fictional, means that are not real, that is for the exercise purpose only, and published by, this is published by the Tribune News Service, has been edited to ensure The story has been edited to ensure clarity to instruction and writing assignments. The story is derived from the following article published by Tribune News Service. So, this is more about our lesson. Points of view means there are many points of view about the traffic and chaotic situation of the roads. So, hope you have loved this lesson, children. At least you understood it clearly.